What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexis, and today is VLOGMAS number 8. Hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks. So I got my flamin' hot Cheetos, eggs, flour, a bag for the flamin' hot Cheetos, and mozzarella sticks. So I'm gonna cut these in half, and then I'll be back. I don't know why I'm doing all this when I didn't even crunch up any flamin' hot Cheetos. Okay, so I got it grinded up. I tried my best. I think I did a good job. I cut up the mozzarella sticks. I had a little bit of flour. I got some eggs. Oh, I need another plate. I'm trying not to spill them.
She's literally dumped it all out the bowl.
Don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. Shout at me, so. Okay. Y'all probably can't see my face, but I was trying to show y'all the egg, but obviously you know that scrambled egg in here. Now I'm about to sticks. The flour.
Yeah, it probably makes sense.
Let me taste this. Anyways, so you get mozzarella stick. I'm gonna put it like this. Dip it in the egg.
Could you move the thing?
And you put it in the flour.
I did one at a time and told it move it up and move it down.
Yeah, I think that's what you have to do.
Boom. Again, and then dip it in flour again, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna dip it in the egg.
You do that with your
again.
chicken stuff, right?
Yeah, that's how I make my chicken. And I'm gonna dip it.
Yeah, hers is gonna be so much better. They already look better.
I'm gonna just get
Just
a
the way
little
she's
bit
doing it.
That's because I just blended them up more, probably, because I'm just like, I don't know what's wrong with me. I have a problem.
Yeah, but I think that's how you would do it.
I just watched a lot of YouTube videos before I did this one. This is the first one, y'all. This is what they look like before they go in the air fryer, because that's what I'm doing because I'm lazy. And it's 3 a.m. Well, it's actually, yeah, it's 3:10. I should probably take it out and put it on the tray first. That would be smart.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, y'all. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we close it. Turn it on. We're gonna do 350. And we're gonna do not 15 minutes. We're gonna start with like 6 minutes and see what happens. So I'll be back in 6 minutes. Been 3 minutes and this is what they look like. They're not done yet. You could tell when you feel them because they still have the egg on them. So let's see, guys, they're done. This is what they look like. They look good. I'll be back with y'all in a second. This is what they look like, and I'm about to taste one. And I'm gonna make everybody taste one. Take a picture. So mozzarella sticks are one of my favorite food. Okay, I don't know which one I want to try. I'll just try this one. Oh, I got them sticking together and shit. Okay, whatever. This is a fail because I wanted to stick them on top of each other.
Whatever.
These are good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So this wasn't a complete fail. So guys, I got one of my hand because I'm about to make my boyfriend try them. He don't really mess with mozzarella sticks, but he's about to try this. And it's like 4 a.m. so I know I'm getting on his nerves, but we'll be back.
Tyler,
Baby.
roll mic.
Here, you gotta try it. Is it good?
It's cool. Why are you trying to make me eat it again?
Because I don't believe you. They're so good. If y'all didn't do this, y'all gotta try this. I know this video was filmed so ghetto, but don't judge me. I'll see y'all in a few. So I'm ending this video here. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, and turn on the post notifications bell. I'm gonna sleep.